Can you hear me knocking? Rolling Stones. Let's take a look at how I play that. It's tuned in G, open G, when the Stones played, I believe. But I play it in natural tuning, standard tuning, minus the top string. Top string I drop down to a D, right? So here's your A chord. If you want to tune to me, I should be pretty close to standard right now. So that's a D chord with that drop D. Now how I start that is I'm playing the D, G, and B strings, and I'm sliding up to the 10th fret. And I'm going to the 9th fret, to the 7th. So, and what I'm doing there is that I'm doing, and then I'm hitting that A string on the 9th fret for my bottom, I'll call it the bottom note of the riff, right? Right there. Then you're sliding everything down to the 5th fret on your D, G, and B string again. And then you're dropping your ring finger on your D string, 7th fret, and your middle finger on your B string, 6th fret. So it's 7, 5, 6. Hit it open. Slide up to the 7th. Now, I'm not going to show you exactly the order of how the song's played. I'm just showing you the parts. Just like the beginning, it was just a real condensed version of most of the parts, right? So, now since we got that top string tuned to a G, I'm going to bar across my E, A, and D string on my 5th fret. And that's pretty much a G chord. So it's C to D. I played it rocked up a little bit, right? Because I played it in standard tuning, I dropped that top D string, and with the group it sounds really good, right? It's really full. Now you could then that other part that you slide up to is this. Now I'm sliding I'm on my A string and D string. I'm going from a 9th, from 8 to 9 on the A string, and from 9 to 10 on the D string. Right? And he does that once, then Then he drops down one string each finger. So it's. Then he just bars the D, G, and B string on the 12th fret. Then he's going back to that D on the 9th, G on the 10th fret. So it's. I'm sorry, that's he's sliding up from the 9th and 10th to the 10 and 11. After he frets the 12th, so that's the meat of the song, guys. That's the nuts and bolts of it. That's the whole roots of the song for Rolling Stones. Like I said, they tune open G, right? This is a nice alternate way to play, and it's pretty easy dexterity-wise for me, even with my dexterity issues in my hands. It's still not a hard song to manage to play. So your chords are that. And remember, you could go. So that's it. Rolling Stones. Man, can you hear me knocking? Great song. Hopefully you dig into it. Watch some of their live versions. Play along with them. I'm sure you can pick it up. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Please, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. Like it. The videos. Comment. I love the comments. I love the interaction. So with that, music is medicine for the mind, body, and soul. Don't ever forget that, because someday the only relief we're going to have is in the shade of a tombstone. With that, guys, get your guitars out, tune them up, and play.